I often get asked how should one become an expert or learn how to inject. We go through cycles like this. The first thing to do is actually to learn the anatomy rather than going to a workshop and then learn the anatomy. The anatomy must come first, the theory must come first, and then attend a workshop and then have a supervised injection, 3 to 5 per area. Now let me explain about the anatomy. One should not Google the anatomy, but rather learn from a credible source. And to graduate from the anatomy, one should be able to describe the anatomy in detail, like in an oral exam, and describe in particular the layers. The nomenclature and the layers are so important, especially when we expand to other areas of the face, such as the jaw or the mid-cheek. So then it reflects understanding of the injector. One should then attend a workshop. This is hands-on workshop where someone guides you how to inject. And after the workshop, one should have 3 to 5 supervised injections. That means somebody is watching you and until you're ready, and then the whole cycle repeats again to another area. What I mean by another area means there are 18 areas of injections of the face. Each area, whether we use needle or cannula, you have to repeat the entire process again because using a needle and a cannula are very different. Just because you've learned the cannula for one area, it doesn't mean that you can apply to all. We need to be under supervision, 3 to 5, before you move on to the next area to say, yes, you could be competent about that area. Then finally, as you get more advanced, one should attend a cadaver workshop. This is to enable you to see what's underneath the skin layer. It is so important that you do a cadaver workshop because it actually allows you to visualize. It's not even if you say, okay, I've injected into the soft layer, what exactly is the soft layer? You need to see it in real life, what that plane is. Please like, subscribe, and comment.